Hello. I want to show you what I've got here. I ordered off of Amazon. Actually, I should turn this around the right direction. That's the box it came in. Okay. This here is a Neewer brand replacement front lens for this DJI Action 5 Pro camera, action camera. So this is the alternative to your GoPros and stuff that are the most common in the industry. Great little camera. I like it a lot. So, and it works well with my DJI mics. That's why I got this pretty much. I used to have a GoPro and it did not work well Bluetooth wise with my mics that were DJI mic minis. So this works way better. But so the only problem is with any action camera, you can't focus close up. So I need a different lens for that. And that's why I got this here. This is a macro lens, 2 times. That's a replacement for this. I bought this open box used, I think it was just used actually, condition on Amazon. Saved a little bit, you know, as long as it's still a good looking lens. It's not like it's a powered lens or an autofocus lens. So not a lot can be wrong other than scratches. So yeah, case is a little scratched up. That's okay. I don't care about that really. Came with a cleaning cloth and the owner manual or the instruction manual. So what we're going to do, we're going to just put it on, just show you how this works. So let's take this out. It's fairly clean, not too bad. So we'll just lay it there, not get too dirty here. And we're going to take this one, the current one, off the DJI camera here. Now, I'll tell you, I had to really loosen this before I started this video. This has been on since factory. So it was like welded on here. And I thought, well, this is never going to come off. So I did loosen it with, you know, those grip type things for opening cans, rubber. I had to do that. I'm glad I did that. Try not to use like pliers or something because you'll dig up the edges. So this I did safely without damaging it too much. So we're going to take this off. It just unscrews counterclockwise. There it is. So it's off now. That's the factory one, factory lens. Okay, I'll just lay that here. And then we're going to screw on this one. So you just line that up. Kind of go the wrong way to get the threads lined up. There we go. And then you can screw it clockwise. Sweet. And it's tight. Wow. Yes. So I'm excited how this will work. And look, we can power it on, just see what it looks like if it not that I don't think it will work, but wow, look at this. Okay, so it's going to take some getting used to. You can see, I don't know if you can see that on here, but wow, it has some close up. Let me show you. I think I can, look at that. You could never do that before. Focus like that, close up. Look at that. Wow. That is amazing. Wow, look at that. Okay, now that is cool. So yeah, I mean, it's for close up stuff like this. Wow, yeah, okay. Enough of me being amazed here. I'm gonna turn her off. But yeah, that is cool. Okay, so it works. Yeah. Wow. I really like Neewer brand on all their photography stuff. It's, good quality, it seems like to me. So I'm excited. But let me know if you have any questions about this. And like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will also be posting in the description a link to get this lens on Amazon. It will be my Amazon affiliate link, so I do get some credit if you do buy from that link. Thanks for watching today.